What's up, guys? Hillbilly Drummer here. And it's been a long time since I've done any kind of riding videos, honestly. But I am currently on the way to Harley to pick up my new bike. Yep. Trading in the old Fatboy. Took the fairing and bags and everything off of it. I'm getting a 2018 Sportster 1200 iron. And I'm sure some of you are like, what? Trade the Fatboy for a Sportster? Yep, I am. It's simple. My wife does not ride with me, so I don't need a big bike. And payments, insurance, everything is cheaper with the 1200, so why not? And it'll be brand new. So that all works out for me. And I really like the look of the 1200 irons. I think they look pretty cool. I like the old AMF paint job, all that good stuff. This thing actually looks really cool with these big bars without the fairing and bags and all. So yeah, I'm on my way there now, and I'll hit you guys back up whenever I pick up the bike. See you in a little bit. Alright guys, here it is, 2018 Sportster 1200 iron. It's freaking sweet. I love the way it looks. Awesome. I love it. Alright. Well, let's get to riding. I like it so far. The ride's good. Seems really nimble. These mid controls aren't bad. I mean, of course, this is the first time I've rode it. I have to get used to it, but it's not comfortable. It's just different. 2018 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 iron. It's pretty awesome.